at one time, up past these trees was where the abandoned school was. That we all hustled out of and lived in. Each one of us had our own little room up here. And it was sort of like our safe haven. Now they just got tents scattered about.
Yeah.
And some of the people I know and some of them I don't. Hello? Who is that? Hey now? What's up, dude? Then my son out here, he doing sort of like a little documentary on my life. And I wanted him to meet some of the people that I hung out with, that looked out for me, that I cared about, you know. And
Now I respect. Are you comfortable being on film? Say, you good?
Yeah, I'm always good.
Okay.
you up here by yourself today?
Yeah, I just
So first of all, we got something for you, man.
appreciate
You know,
Thanks, brother.
we come out here and try to help out a little bit. You know, my mom, of course, you know my mom was out here forever. We had to come out here and scoop up sometime. And
Sometimes I just hide from them. You remember
I
that?
always know.
she had to hide from us when we came up here.
But if I was high, I did.
Sure did.
Were you in the building that was right here too? You know, the building back in the day?
We all was in there. There was a lot of us.
It was a whole lot of us, about 20 of us.
Everybody had rooms.
Yeah. So this way, do you stay right here or do you stay on the bridge too?
No, I got a tent right now. Big old tent.
Oh, I see your tent.
I tell you what, it's totally up to you because I understand. Can you show us your setup and how you do things, how you survive out here, man?
Yeah, I do good, man.
What's your name?
Hey now.
Hey now.
Hey now. I like that. That's smooth. Was this the same area you used to be in?
Yeah. But back then it was a building here.
Yeah, this is my house.
Okay.
This is my house, brother. Bed.
Well, you gotta respect the craftiness.
Yep.
Well, y'all be on it.
Yeah.
So do it keep you pretty warm, man?
Yeah.
You mind if I look up in there?
Here comes the dog. Ruff.
You got a dog?
Come here, girl.
Got a comfortable little bed up in here.
Come on, Ruff.
What kind of dog you got?
Come here.
She don't bite, do she?
Just don't get that car. She don't know. No, Ruff.
Oh, okay, you got it on a chain.
What you know, Ruff?
What you call her?
Ruff.
Roof.
Ruff. That's you don't pay on Ruff.
I'm gonna bring you some dog food next time I come back out that way.
That's right.
I got 2 dogs. I love dogs, man.
Yeah, them too.
So all this right here is your space.
Yeah, get my space right here. You gotta clean it up, but get my space.
I'm pretty sure Roof make sure nobody don't come up in here acting a fool.
So, no. Everybody know that too.
Roof, you stay right over there. Who stay over back that way?
Cat call. He ain't over there.
He ain't there right now? Well, I don't want to disrespect this space. How long you been out here, hey now?
I've been out here for a long time.
Long time?
About
20
20 years.
years? It had to been a long time because you been out here since 2005. Yeah. Dog bring comfort to your life, don't no matter what you're going through, man.
That's a good dog too.
So, hey now, tell me a little bit about your life. Tell me, your age, where you from.
Well, I am 52 years old.
Mhm.
I'm from Bankhead, raised up in Bankhead, growed up out here, went to Harper High.
Harper High.
Yeah, went to Harper High, finished school. So I came back out here, started going to prison. So, I don't do nothing, that bad to go to prison. But
Yeah.
the drugs I was on.
What did you do prison time for?
Drugs.
Drug. Just
So,
getting caught with it,
Yeah, getting caught. Yeah.
distributing.
In the scrimmage, Kansas City. So I went down my sister's house. Once I got out of prison, went down my sister's house. I straightened my life up. I ain't want no more. And so all of a sudden I just started having stuff, got me a little truck, started coming up here on business boat.
That's the mistake we were just talking about.
Yep.
When you
Try to
when you
get
get good, you come back because you want to show everybody how good you're doing.
So I end up back doing the same thing, back over again. Left my sister's house, didn't go back, stayed out here, started working the street like I always do. So,
But you know what? Once you mess up, it's hard to go back home. It's hard to go back home. I mean, you're ashamed, you got that pride, so you end up just staying out here.
yeah.
Just staying. I mean,
Like-
that's what happened to me.
seem like it just be calling you, just go.
Yeah.
But you know, I can also. It ain't like I just. I can't go nowhere. I can always go back to my sister. You know, I can
Same
do
thing,
right,
yeah.
But you know, I'm just in a situation that I want to make it on my own.
Right.
You know, I want to, be crawling and then try to walk again. Cause I get it right sooner or later. You know, cause I'm really getting tired of doing what I'm doing. So sooner or later, I go ahead and tighten up, straighten up. You know?
Never too late, man.
And I remember one thing, not to keep coming back
Yep.
over here, because friends and places, that's the hardest enemy,
Yes, it is.
So I'm just out here, I can stand the cold,
Yeah.
I can fit my little tent up, I keep my dog, she got a dog house, if she get too cold, she can come in on me,
Where does she sleep at?
right now.
Oh, that's a little dog house right there.
All right, now you might not want
Yeah, I ain't gonna go too far. The roof might wanna.
Ruff. Hey girl, what you doing?
What can I? Next time I'm out here, man, what can I bring you to help you out?
When you coming back, you can bring me some clothes.
Clothes.
Clothes, whatever.
What size you wear?
I will, about
32.
to
Okay,
bring Ruth some food.
and bring Ruff.
I got you, man.
Other than that,
Now keep it real with me. What are your demons? What drug of choice?
I do cocaine.
Cocaine, crack?
Yeah.
On that roof.
Stop, bro. Sick.
Oh, so look at this. You trained too.
Okay.
How long Roof been with you?
About 6 or 7 months.
Where you get it from?
I got it from one of my homeboys. He raised dog.
Okay.
So, he know what I wanted a dog. So I was talking to him. See, number one. That's a big old one.
Yeah.
She's large.
She look pretty healthy.
How old is she?
She won.
1 year old. Yeah, that's
Yeah, she good though.
You try to take care of her, don't you?
Yeah.
I can
She
tell
been-
you.
She ever come in the tent with you?
Yeah, she come in.
Yeah.
Sometimes she get out the chain and be in no way no.
Oh, she know how to get off the chain?
Yeah, she
Okay, so
does.
she just being nice right now.
Yeah.
So next time, I'll probably be back out here
Saturday.
next Saturday.
Okay.
I'll bring you some dog food, some clothes. You said size 32.
Yeah, something like that.
All right. Maybe t-shirt, socks,
Yeah.
some whatever I can get a hold to, man.
I will appreciate it.
It about to get cold, man. What are your best
You
techniques
bring me a
for
coat,
out here?
another coat.
Coat.
So what is my what now?
What? How do you keep warm out here when it drop down to like 20 degrees?
When
And,
it get low like this, I crank this bad boy up right here.
okay, the grill.
I put the grill
Uh-huh.
and shut it fire. Got a lot of paper to buy.
And what you just said about the door over there or something?
Yeah. It really don't even get cold in there.
Oh, okay.
I can sit it down. It don't even get cold. But when it do get cold, I'm gonna put me another top.
Those tents are amazing.
I'm gonna put me another top in there.
I guess insulating a space, because the guy on the bridge said the same thing.
Yeah.
That it'd be
It's
pretty
all about
warm.
locking it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we know how to do that.
Yep.
I don't survive out here a long time.
I told my son it's a technique.
Yeah,
What-
it's something that
Five
you really got to
speeds.
been through, and I go through it,
Yep.
and then
What's-
I know how.
What's the worst thing that ever happened to you out here, man? Was anybody messing with you or what?
Just the worst thing. Smoking crack.
So nobody ain't like never attack you, like
No,
dope boy
no.
get mad at
No,
you.
they know
Okay.
that. See,
As long as you play by the rule, don't trick
I-
none of them. Or,
you know, I get my own money, you know. I don't ask
Yeah.
nobody for me.
What the best way you get money, or you fly signs or what?
No, I stand up in front of the door. I catch me on Bubba. Because Bubba won't more than,
A Bubba's
you know,
a customer.
Bubba is a
Oh,
customer.
Bubba's a customer.
Yeah, so I catch them.
Uh-huh.
Then they pay, I take them and get it. If I ain't got it, I take them and get it. And
Truck
I just get
drivers?
money. Yeah, truck drivers. A lot of truck and then I have the prostitution ring.
Yeah.
I let them come in, date, whatever they don't do, they don't pay me for that. You know, that's all, you know.
So
I
a lot of
respect
girls, you allow them to turn the trick over in here.
Yeah, so it's a lot of things that, you know, it's fun, but you know, it ain't fun.
Right.
You know, and then if I want to bathe, I get the bucket. If I want to wash my clothes, I get the bucket. When I go to the bucket, I wash me some clothes out.
So water
they
help
always
you.
need
Everybody
water.
need water.
I
and
always
those
go
too.
there, get me some water, cause I work over there at the store anyway.
Yeah.
So I eat every day good. So make sure she eat. I go through a whole lot of stuff. I get there. See, this somebody clothes right here that I don't get.
Some of the girls.
Yeah, so
You know what I noticed too? Like my dog, Vet Bill, be kicking my butt. But it's just like people, like you probably don't get her shots and all that. Her
she
immune
already got
system
her
just
shot. She got
stronger.
everything there.
Oh, you keep
Yeah,
shots
she
up in
already
too?
I got medicine and everything.
Oh wow. They got like places that help you out like that.
Yeah, she ended up going to the dog pound, so I ended up go get her when he got her.
How she end up in the dog pound?
Cause the girl kept messing with her food and ended up climbing up on the scratching and still try to bite. And she called the animal control on.
Oh, so she bit the girl messing with her food. Well, anybody know rules, don't.
She don't bit me.
Yeah.
Messing with her food.
You don't mess with dog while they
can't
eat.
mess with
Some
dogs.
dogs just don't play that.
She
Best-
don't play that.
Yeah. Well, she don't look aggressive at all.
No, she ain't aggressive.
How much you had to pay to get out of the pound?
I had to get her spade.
Oh, so they just make you get a spade and then you can take her.
Yeah, and then I had other folks to help me too. You know,
Yeah.
I go with a little white girl, so she got a little money.
Yeah.
And she know how to talk to me, so she went to get me and her went to go.
That's nice.
You know, there's a lot of homeless people got pets.
They're confident.
Like I tell you, like my dog, no matter what I'm going through, he can sense it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baby, we need to move.
Well, man.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, hey, man. You know who I am now. So when
Oh,
you
yeah.
see me,
Oh, yeah.
it's all good, man. I'll be
Okay.
back out here. I keep my word. I bring some items.
Okay, that work.
So when you see me coming up in here, don't be alarmed.
All right.
I call your name while I'm walking up in here, though.
Hey now.
All right, Roof.
Hey.